If you have images stored inside of Google Drive, then you can directly insert it out in Google Jamboard. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the left side, and here you can see add image is an option. So I'm just going to click on this. So once I do that, on the top, you have to go to Google Drive right here. And what happens is that you will directly have access to your Drive right here as you will be logged into your Google account. So over here, you can see that I have an image that is tutortube.jpg. So you can also navigate around to different folder and then access the image as per your need. But in my case, I'm just going to use this and I'm going to click on insert. And then what happens is that the image inside your Google Drive will just come up over here. And then of course, you can resize it and rearrange it according to how you like it over here. And that is how you can insert images directly from Google Drive inside of Google Jamboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.